Hello, I am Baba Grover, Managing Partner, Hexagon Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about growth of an organization enabled by super customer service and awesome consumer experience in the age of the customer experience. Now, improvement in customer service and ensuring a consistent and a great consumer experience can be an important goal for any organization. After all, studies indicate a very high correlation of an organization's success with these parameters. However, even with the best intentions, delivery on the ground can be suboptimal. But this can be addressed if the right operating frameworks are established and implemented with the right operating practices, the right metrics, the right systems, the right measures, and so on. We at Hexagon Consulting are passionate about service excellence and about helping organizations deploy globally accredited best practices to achieve this important goal. Providing a super customer service and consumer experience is the mantra for success. Customers dump organizations that don't measure up on these important parameters and are very powerful today. Research indicates that organizations who have just a product and sales focus are not likely to succeed, certainly not in the long run. So, this is really very important and is the highway to success. Things are changing rapidly. In the past, organizations were built on more conventional frameworks with customer service as just one more department. Service was then an expense that had to be incurred. But things are changing. Rapidly changing, like I said. But the question remains, how many organizations are built and structured today to consistently deliver a super experience? The successful and future-proof organizations are built around the customer. Every department, every single unit of the organization is configured around the customer. And such an operating framework with the customer embedded in all of its operations is the architecture of successful organizations today. So what should be done? Well, firstly, this needs to be tackled at a holistic level. Just having the right intentions and policies is not enough. Rather, ground level implementation of the right people practices, the right operations, the right SOPs, the right processes, the technology and the right metrics and measures, and equally the right measurement methodologies and instituting the same is the key. As a small example on measures, are we measuring turnaround times? And if yes, are we measuring turnaround times the right way at a departmental level, or are we measuring overall resolution times from the perspective of the customer? Are we even measuring satisfaction or dissatisfaction? And are we seeking feedback on a continuous basis at frequent enough intervals to improve our products and processes? One of the themes we emphasize is the importance of soliciting and capturing feedback and then distilling the same to drive improvements. After all, some of the smartest and best organizations are learning organizations who continuously seek feedback in an agile manner to improve. So, this does not mean just having a suggestion box or running an annual CSAT program. Rather, obtaining customer feedback and user feedback needs to be done scientifically, perhaps daily, and ideally should be done independently and across all customer engagement channels and across all stages of customer engagement. And then the feedback needs to be systemically analyzed and reviewed, and again at the right intervals to drive performance improvements and maybe product improvements too. Yes, technology is important, but then just technology is not enough. And so from a good to great standpoint, we need to strengthen all the other aspects I've been talking about, the processes, the operational measures, and so on. Yes, we have the solution. Hexagon Consulting has an exclusive tie-up with the International Customer Services Institute, UK and Dubai, which is one such comprehensive quality framework which can make your organization more service and customer centric by first of all diagnosing and then addressing the gaps identified. The globally accredited framework is called the International Standard for Service Excellence 2012. I'll talk a bit more about this now. So what is this framework all about? The framework developed by the International Customer Services Institute is an end-to-end framework that covers all facets of an organization's functioning, which we call as the 5 Ps, which includes its policies, procedures and processes, products and services, premises, which is really all customer contact channels, its people practices, customer satisfaction, and other metrics and measures. It's a 1,000-point checklist, pretty detailed and comprehensive, which also measures the efficacy of implementation on the ground, against which the organization is benchmarked to diagnose opportunity areas. This is the first step. And the benchmarking report is provided as a comprehensive and a detailed online report across all the 1,000 points. And then there are comprehensive next phases where relevant for systemically fixing the identified gaps so the organization gradually starts moving up the value chain and eventually improve its service and customer centricity and move on to the highway of success. And there are 3 levels of maturity of this improvement and benchmarking framework, which also has a certification option. The international standard with a 3 stars is the first solid benchmark, which is pretty tough to realize and requires the organization to obtain a minimum of 55% on the overall 1,000-point checklist by an independent third-party benchmarking assessment. The next level is international benchmark, which is a 4-star rating, even tougher benchmark, with a minimum requirement of 75%. And the highest aspirational level is international excellence, which is a 5-star rating realizable only at a 90% or higher score. Very tough to obtain unless the organization is operating at an awesome level. The framework complements any existing quality framework that the organization may already be following, such as an ISO or a TQM or any such good quality framework, but is, in a sense, very different in terms of a huge focus on reviewing the organization primarily from the perspective of its customers, and with a tremendous focus on implementation on the ground, and also on ensuring that a continuous improvement cycle is in place and is embedded in the organization, which is continuously driving enhancements based on customer feedback. And that the same needs to be on an end-to-end basis across the organizational silos, which often inhibit a smooth consumer experience. Interesting, isn't it? So how does this work? Well, the first step is to brief you and train you, your core team really, about the requirements of the framework. And the next step is to do a comprehensive, detailed gap analysis on the ground using the 1,000-point checklist and framework that I've been talking to you about, which is required by the International Customer Services Institute to be done by their authorized third-party assessing organization, which for India is Hexagon Consulting. This results in the organization getting a formal online detailed assessment report, which gives you an overall score as well, but more importantly brings out the scores and the opportunity areas for each of the sections and subsections of the framework for the organization to know what are the opportunity areas for it to improve. And then over the next few phases, we work with you and guide you and handhold you to help you improve and climb onto the highway of success. Some organizations just stop at realizing the benefits, but others also want a formal certification, which is an optional last step, which is an independent audit required to be done by the certification partner of the International Customer Services Institute, which is BSI, British Standards Institution in India. Yes, BSI, which is British Standards Institution, is TICSI's certification partner, which does the optional final leg of certification. Should you want to get formally certified as well and announce to all stakeholders that you are so good in terms of service excellence and customer experience management. We at Hexagon Consulting will, however, guide and handhold you all along the way, including if required by you during the final leg of certification by BSI. So let me give you a quick brief about Hexagon Consulting. Hexagon Consulting is a part of a 12-year-old group of companies engaged in management consulting and the education sectors. Our other group companies are Quadrangle Consulting, which is in the HR space, and Value Space India, which is in the education sector. Hexagon is the youngest arm of the group with customer service excellence as its one of its core areas. And some of the other areas we work in include outsourcing and offshoring management, risk and compliance, organizational due diligence, etc. As I mentioned, Hexagon Consulting is the exclusive implementation partner for India of the International Standard for Service Excellence, the benchmarking and improvement framework to help you improve and ride the highway to success. Should you want to learn more about the framework, the Institute, or Hexagon Consulting, you're welcome to read more on the Institute's website or the Hexagon Consulting website. Hexagon Consulting is globally networked with some of the smartest organizations in different parts of the world, including the International Customer Services Institute, UK and Dubai. So in a sense, we are senior level execs from around the globe that share a common interest of improving the quality of our communities by helping mid to large organizations succeed. We believe that globally connecting culture, innovation, knowledge, skill, technology, and human resources improve local economies. We believe this also contributes socially. All of our work is naturally governed by 6 core values, which includes integrity, objectivity, neutrality, quality, and professionalism. These are some of the clients that Hexagon Consulting and the group companies have worked with over the last 12 years. Thank you so much for your time and for viewing this video and listening in on this important subject we are so passionate about. We are members of CII and NASSCOM and are also globally networked and in continuous dialogue with some of the smartest and most agile organizations in the world, and so operate on the cutting edge of management thinking and innovation. Do reach us at any of the coordinates given or search for Hexagon Consulting's website and get them. And of course, we'll be glad to hear your comments and feedback on this video, and we would be absolutely delighted to be of assistance to assist any organization to improve customer service and end customer experience, the key enabler for success today. As you perhaps know, this helps to cut costs as well eventually, and all research indicates that any investment in this important area has a rapid ROI. Thank you. Signing off for now, this is Baba Grover, Managing Partner, Hexagon Consulting. I look forward to hearing from you.